Every money choice does something. It moves your money away from one option and toward another. Even a small decision matters because the same money cannot be used in unlimited ways. That is why smart money habits start with smart choices. A need is something important for daily life, health, safety, learning, or basic responsibility. Think about food, water, medicine, transportation, or school supplies. A need helps life work properly. Without it, something important gets harder. A want is something you would enjoy, but you do not truly need in order to function. That might be a game skin, a trendy pair of shoes, a dessert, or an extra app purchase. Wants can be fun, but they are extras, not essentials. Now, here's an important point. Wants are not the enemy. Fun matters too. The problem starts when wants take the place of needs or destroy your bigger goals. Smart finance is not about never spending. It is about spending in the right order. Real life is not always black and white. Sometimes whether something is a need or a want depends on the situation. A backpack for school may be a need. A super expensive designer version of the same backpack may be a want. Context matters. Some purchases have both a need part and a want part. A phone can be a practical tool for communication, school, and safety. But the newest model with premium features may be more of a want than a need. Same item, different purpose. Money is limited. That is one of the biggest truths in finance. If you have $30, you cannot say yes to every single thing that looks good. Limited money forces choices, and choices reveal what matters most. This is where priorities come in. A smart spender learns to rank things. What must happen first? What would be helpful next? What would simply be nice to have? Priorities help you use money with purpose instead of emotion. One of the strongest money skills is learning to pause before paying. That little pause gives your brain time to ask better questions. Do I need this? Will I really use it? Can I wait? Do I already have something similar? A pause protects your money. Impulse buying is when you buy quickly because something feels exciting in the moment. Maybe it is a flash sale, a cool snack, or a random online item. The problem is that fast excitement often disappears, but the lost money stays gone. Delayed gratification means waiting now so you can get something better later. This is not punishment, it is power. It means you are choosing a bigger win over a small moment. That skill becomes useful in almost every part of financial life. Goals make smart choices easier. When you are saving for something meaningful like a laptop, bike, trip, or headphones, saying no to random spending gets easier. A clear goal gives your money direction, and direction makes decision-making stronger. A lot of people think only big purchases matter, but small repeated spending can quietly drain money. A $5 snack or app purchase does not seem huge once, but when it keeps happening, it can become a big total by the end of the week. Subscriptions work the same way. A few dollars here and there may feel tiny, especially when it is digital, but several monthly charges can build into a surprisingly large amount. Smart choices include checking what keeps charging you again and again. Discounts are useful only when you already needed the item. A sale can trick your brain into thinking saving money and spending money are the same thing. They are not. Buying something unnecessary at a discount is still spending money. Social pressure is powerful. Sometimes people buy things not because they truly want them, but because they want to fit in or avoid feeling left out. Smart money choices mean learning to ask, do I want this or do I want approval? Digital money can feel less real because you do not always see cash leaving your hand. A quick tap on a phone feels easy, but the money is still leaving your balance. Smart spenders remind themselves that invisible spending is still real spending. This is why a simple checklist helps. Before buying, ask, is this a need? Will I use it often? Can I wait? Do I actually have the money for it? A checklist turns emotional spending into thoughtful spending. Comparing options is another smart habit. Do not just look at the first thing you see. Compare price, quality, usefulness, and how often you will use it. A better decision usually appears when you slow down and compare. Smart does not always mean cheapest. Sometimes the lowest price gives you lower quality, shorter life, or more replacement cost later. Smart buyers think about value, not just price. The best choice is often the one that works well and lasts longer. Sometimes the smartest choice is buying nothing at all right now. That can feel boring in the moment, but it is actually a strong move. Choosing not to spend keeps your options open and protects your future goals. A helpful rule is essentials first. If money is limited, use it for what matters most before using it for convenience or entertainment. That does not mean no fun ever. It means the important things get handled before the extras do. This idea connects to opportunity cost. In simple words, if you choose one thing, you give up something else. Spend money on one item, and that same money cannot be used for a different goal. Every yes quietly creates a no somewhere else. Smart money choices should match your values and goals, not just trends. Maybe you care about saving for a school trip, building a gaming setup slowly, or avoiding stress. Your spending should reflect what matters to you, not just what is popular. A weekly spending plan makes all of this easier. When you divide money into simple categories like essentials, savings, and flexible spending, you remove a lot of stress. Planning gives your money a job before random spending can grab it. Let's look at a real teen example. Imagine you earn or receive $50 for the week. If snacks, apps, and rides take most of it right away, you may reach the end of the week with almost nothing left. That is why tracking matters. Here's a powerful shortcut you can use anytime. Need, want, or wait. If it is a need, plan for it. If it is a want, think carefully. If it can wait, give yourself time. Waiting often turns confusion into clarity. Smart choices do more than protect money. They build confidence. They reduce stress. They help you save for bigger goals. And most importantly, they give you more freedom later. That is what good finance really does. It gives you better options. Thanks for learning with us today. Smart money choices start with simple habits, and every good decision helps build a stronger future. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for the next chapter as we keep learning money skills step by step.